Hey friends, welcome to Cabin and Cottage. Step into this dreamy West Elm-inspired home where Winter Nordic minimalism hugs modern farmhouse calm. Sunlit oak floors, soft shiplap walls, and Hygge vibes await in every cozy corner. Let's tour this serene retreat together. Step into this foyer and feel instantly at home. Sunlight dances across wide white oak floors, warming the soft shiplap walls. That welcoming console with its linen lamp whispers Hygge coziness. A woven basket sits ready for keys while potted evergreens add a fresh winter touch. High ceilings make it feel airy yet intimate. Clean lines blend Nordic calm with farmhouse charm. Every detail invites you to linger. It's the perfect calm entry to your serene retreat. Sut. Textures glow softly, pure peaceful vibes await inside. Imagine sinking into plush linen sofas in the living room. Natural light floods the oak floors, highlighting beige neutrals and wool throws. Shiplap walls hug the space just right. A marble coffee table anchors it all. Floating shelves showcase simple ceramics. High ceilings let the calm breathe. It's luxury wrapped in Hygge warmth, perfect for quiet evenings or chats. Textures feel so inviting. This room just hugs your soul. Curl up in the family room's sectional sheepskin cushions calling your name. Sunlight warms the oak floors under that jute rug. Media unit hides neatly in wood cabinetry. Shiplap walls create a cozy nook. Games and candles wait for fun nights. High ceilings keep it spacious. Nordic minimalism meets farmhouse ease here. Total comfort zone. Laughter flows naturally. Your happy family haven glows. Picture a dining table set for magic moments. Oak floors shine under sunlight, white linens crisp on the long table. Shiplap frames the linear chandelier perfectly. Matte black flatware adds edge. Neutral chairs invite long talks. Branches centerpiece keeps it simple. High ceilings amplify the calm. Hygge subtlety everywhere. Gather friends here. Savor every bite in peace. Whip up meals on this quartz island, sunlight sparkling on oak floors, matte black cabinets gleam softly. Farmhouse sink fits like a dream. Open shelves hold pretty ceramics. Shiplap walls feel fresh and calm. Brass faucets catch the light just right. High ceilings make cooking fun. Workflows a breeze. Nordic calm in every corner. Your kitchen heart beats warmly. Grab coffee at the butler's pantry, sunlight kissing oak floors. Wood shelves brim with mugs and beans. Quartz counter hugs the espresso machine. Glass cabinets show off with black hardware. Woven baskets add cozy charm. Shiplap walls whisper serenity. High ceilings keep it light. Quick Hygge mornings await. Prep feels effortless. Little joy spot shines. Wake up in the master bed, linen duvet so soft. Sunlight pours over oak floors, garden views framing it all. Oak headboard stands tall against shiplap. Wool blankets layer the hygge, nightstands hold just enough. High ceilings cradle your dreams. Serene layout restores you, float into the day, pure restful bliss here. Open the walk-in closet, oak floors guiding your steps. Sunlight highlights organized oak systems, matte black pulls on every drawer, neutral baskets, tidy accessories. Shiplap walls make it feel spacious. High ceilings let calm expand, hangers wait neatly. Your wardrobe retreat glows, easy mornings ahead, hygge order everywhere. Freshen up at the vanity, quartz basin gleaming in sunlight. Oak floors feel smooth underfoot. Round oak-framed mirrors reflect softly. Matte black faucets drip elegance. Linen stools tuck away. Shelves hold skincare jars. Shiplap walls add warmth. High ceilings brighten it up. Grooming nook hugs you. Calm start to the day. Tuck kids into twin beds, quilts neutral and fun. Sunlight warms oak floors, play rug ready for games, shelves brim with toys and books. Shiplap walls keep it playful yet calm. High ceilings spark imagination, oak frames add sturdiness. Hygge layout for dreams, rest and adventure blend, their cozy world shines. Welcome guests to the queen bed, crisp linens inviting rest. Sunlight bathes oak floors softly, wood headboard against shiplap feels homey. Throw pillows plump for comfort, nightstands with lamps glow, fresh flowers on the dresser. High ceilings breathe hospitality, neutral retreat awaits, they'll love this calm spot. Settle at the oak desk in the office, leather chair hugging you. Sunlight floods oak floors, bookshelves towering floor to ceiling, shiplap walls frame focus. Matte black lamp lights tasks, trays organize supplies neatly. Armchair nook for reading, high ceilings inspire productivity. Hygge calm fuels ideas, work feels like peace. Lounge on the terrace, oak floors flowing outdoors. Sunlight warms linen sofas around the wood table. Shiplap exterior matches inside perfectly. Potted firs bring winter hygge, matte black trims gleam, high openings connect it all, garden views relax you. Clean lines invite chill time, outdoor calm extension glows. Wander the backyard garden, stone paths meandering softly. Sunlight dances on evergreens and perennials in oak beds. Shiplap house backdrop feels seamless. Gravel spots and benches call for hygge pauses, white oak terrace flows right in. Winter shrubs frame serenity, lush yet minimal landscape, your tranquil escape blooms, peaceful paradise awaits. We've explored 14 stunning spaces, from sun-drenched foyer to tranquil garden, all unified by warm oak, shiplap serenity, and natural glow. Love this calm haven? Hit like, subscribe for more cabin dreams, and comment your fave room below. See you next time.